Rats are one of the most common and versatile creatures found throughout the world. They belong to the rodent family and include many different species, the most famous of which is the Norway rat, Rattus norvegicus.
Rats are known for their incredible adaptability. They can survive in almost any environment, from forests to deserts, and especially in human settlements where they have easy access to food and shelter. Their high reproductive rate and omnivorous eating habits make them successful even in difficult conditions. A female rat can give birth several times a year, often giving birth to many young rats at once. These creatures are often active at night and have a very keen sense of smell, which they use to find food and avoid danger. Their teeth, especially their front incisors, grow continuously, so they must constantly gnaw on things to wear them down. This is why they often damage hard materials like wood, plastic, electrical wiring, and even concrete.
Throughout history, rats have had a profound impact on human life. They were often considered pests, damaging crops and stored food, and also carrying various diseases. The most infamous example is the bubonic plague, which was spread in the Middle Ages by rats and the fleas that lived on them. However, they have also been important in scientific research, especially in the study of medicine and biology, because they share some physical and genetic similarities with humans. Rats are major carriers of various bacteria, viruses, and parasites, which can spread directly or indirectly to humans and cause serious health problems. The most notorious disease is the plague, often called the Black Death. The disease is caused by bacteria called Yersinia pestis and is spread to humans through the bites of fleas that live on rats. Plague can occur in 3 forms: bubonic, septicemic, and pneumonic, infection of the lungs, which is the most fatal. Additionally, leptospirosis is another serious disease spread through contact with water or soil contaminated with rat urine. Symptoms of this bacterial infection include high fever, headache, muscle aches, and jaundice, and it can affect the kidneys and liver. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is a life-threatening respiratory disease caused by inhaling dried rat feces, urine, or saliva. Another disease is rat bite fever, which is spread by the bite or scratch of an infected rat, and its symptoms include fever, rash, and joint pain. Salmonellosis can also be contracted by consuming food or water contaminated with rat feces. Rats and mice are used in almost all biological and medical research in laboratories, and there are many scientific reasons for this. The most important reason is that mice share approximately 85% of their DNA with humans. Their organ systems, such as the respiratory, circulatory, and nervous systems, function similarly to those in humans. Because of this similarity, new drugs, vaccines, and treatments are first tested on mice to see how they will react in the human body. Mice have a short life cycle, which allows scientists to study many generations in a short period of time and quickly observe the long-term effects of a drug or disease. For example, they give birth in just 21 days. Furthermore, scientists can easily alter the genetic makeup of mice, such as deleting or deactivating a particular gene to create models of human diseases, such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and obesity. Mice are also relatively easy to keep calm and under controlled conditions in the laboratory, which increases the accuracy of experimental results.